So I started playing volleyball in middle school and went through high school, played all 4 years, and Trevecca noticed me. So I started playing here. I didn't really have a direction of what I wanted to do. I had just an interest for health in general. So I checked out exercise science and they told me that they had a nutrition minor. So I was like, oh, that's really cool. I love learning about the body and like what can fuel me before games and everything.
Our students right now have gone anywhere from physical therapy clinics to colleges and university training rooms. They become strength and conditioning coaches. We even work with pediatric clinics. So our goal is for a student to graduate and be exposed to everywhere from pediatrics to geriatrics. What we want is to educate, empower, and equip our students to prepare them to really excel in grad school.
Through the program, you'll start taking anatomy and physiology, which is learning about the body. There's a lot of cool things you'll get to do in the program. Later on, you get to do clinicals, and so that's going off of campus and actually working with people doing physical therapy. You can work directly with dietitians, and they actually have their own practices off of campus.
In our labs, our students are going to be able to practice on each other and actually use the same modalities that they're going to see in the field and that are most up to date and current in today's healthcare. Something really unique about our program is that we have a low faculty to student ratio, that when you come to Trevecca, when a student is in our department, they are going to have mentoring and have an open door policy where I will come and tutor them, talk about their goals, and really help walk alongside them in the journey of their undergraduate degree here at Trevecca.
Trevecca has a strong exercise science program, and I'm proud to be a part of it.